As I was worshiping a while ago, I saw in spirit that God touched my hand, and I saw his wound, and then I saw in spirit too that he touched the top of my head. And I want you to claim this too. I think this message is not just for me. I want you to receive it as you continually watch this video. And God is telling you that, my child, you are anointed. In this season, I am giving you double portion of blessings, double portion of healing, double portion of financial blessings and breakthroughs. I am giving you like double portion of the things that you wanted to receive, the peace, the love, restoration, redemption. God is telling you to believe in him, because he is the one who can give you double portion. And God is promoting you not only in the eyes of men, but in the heavenly realm, in spirit. He is promoting you right now. And God is telling you, do not fear. Do not listen to the lies of the enemy. Do not give up. Listen to me. Listen to the voice of your shepherd. Do not be discouraged, for I am with you. And in this season, I saw the Lord holding your feet like this, because he is your cornerstone, because he is your protector. You will never be shaken. You will not stumble. You will not be moved. And I saw for some that God make you like a tree, like in the live stream, like you are so used to the storm. It made you strong, and God wants you to be strong, because people will just go with you, and in return, as God bless you, you can bless them too, and bring back glory and honor to the Lord. And right now, just claim it and hold on to the salvation of the Lord. With grace and mercy of the Lord, he saved us by his wound, so we can be blessed by him, so we can be stronger through him, so that we can be a blessing and be used as an ambassadress and as an ambassador of his kingdom. So just claim it, believe it.